Hello friends, welcome to the Villa Chefs. Today we're gonna make an easy and simple mushy green peas. You will need frozen green peas, diced onion, spinach leaves, salt and pepper, and some butter. First, you need to melt the butter in a hot pan. Make sure to use a pan which you can cover and cook. Once the butter is melted, add the onions and saute till it starts to turn brown in color. Now add the spinach leaves and mix with the onions till they are blanched. Here I have used baby spinach leaves. Once the spinach is blanched, add the frozen green peas and mix well. Then add the salt and pepper. Now cover and cook for around 2 to 3 minutes till the peas turn soft. Cooking longer will reduce the sweetness and color of the peas. Now take this off the gas and coarsely blend the peas. The mushy green peas is ready to serve with your favorite main dish. You can find the full list of ingredients and method in the description box below. Please like and subscribe so that we can continue to bring you easy and simple dishes from around the world. Signing out, the Villa Chefs.